This is going to be a very short part, and in this part we're just going to create one little function for our app. Once the user clicks on this, it should get some files from the gallery, some image, and show it here. So this is not so difficult to do. What you need to do is first let's assign some ID to our buttons over here. So this is going to be image select, and don't ask again, this is going to be our title field, this is going to be desk field, and lastly submit button. All right, so if you come down to your post activity.java class, so private image button and select image. All right, so let's set the reference for this one. Come down here, select image equals image button, sorry, find view by id r.id dot image select. All right, so select image dot set on click listener. So once a user tap on the button, what we want to do, we want to start a new intent, and it is going to be a gallery intent. So now if you guys want to get files from the camera, you guys already know how to get it, because I have already done a tutorial on that, and it's pretty simple as well. So private static final int, not string, it is going to be the gallery request equals 1. Let's give it some value that you will really remember. You don't need to remember actually. Set type image, and start activity for result, and this is going to be gallery intent and our request code, so gallery request. All right, so once this gallery is fired up, once the user select something, you want to retrieve some image from that. So on activity result, if request code equals gallery request, which we have created over here, the request code, if this request code equals to the gallery request, that means we are good. And also result code equals result okay, that means we haven't got any error. So once this is done, what it should do is URI, create a URI, and it is going to be the image URI equals, and this should get value from the data.getData. So everybody knows this returns the URI. And now select image dot set image URI, which is the button, and it is going to be image URI. Now if you hit the play button, and let's wait for it to run, it shouldn't take much time, but what we can do, let's see what we will be doing next. Yep, next thing we'll be posting the data to our database. All right, no problem. Here is our app. Add button, tap on the click here to add image button. Here it is. Now the images that you can see over here, the first 3 images, I have already cropped them into the size of our button and what size I want for my blog app. Now if you are doing it for users, if you want users to authenticate, post to the blog, you might want to add an image crop tool. Now I'll surely provide you the link in description if you guys want to. There are really great tools to crop image, and if you want to maintain the aspect ratio, that's really good option for them as well. But let's not waste time for our tutorial, because I have already cropped these 3 images, the first 3 images for our app. So I'm gonna select any of the image. Here you can see that it has set the image to image button to our image. Now this is really good feature, and you should try this out. And if I click on it once again, you can see it's again, you can change the image of even your blog post. So this is really good. Next thing we want to do, we want to once a user clicks on the submit post, that should upload the image and post to database. So we will cover that in next part. See you guys.